Hello everyone, bonjour, bonsoir, welcome back for another video. In this one we're going to talk about lock extensions, and these were installed 3 months ago, almost 4 months ago now. And this is the install video or TikTok that I shared. And now I'm going to talk about pretty much a maintenance video. This is like her fourth maintenance or third maintenance or something like that. So this is the initial install right here, and then we're going to go on to the maintenance. So she's back for her maintenance. This is her third maintenance. She's going on 4 months, and we're starting with a wash, of course. And I'm going to answer a little question that I get sometimes in the comments. You guys are like, why do you say bonjour, bonsoir? Or some people are like, oh, you didn't say it right. Guys, I'm Haitian. I'm from Haiti. Haiti, if you want to say it correctly. And this is how we greet each other. Bonjour, bonsoir. And I consider you guys like family because you connect with me through this channel. This is the shampoo I'm using. It's the Biologiques Moringa. You guys can find it in my Etsy shop, and I'm using a shampoo scrubber to scrub her scalp. She has a lot of scalp buildup, not from product, just from a hyperactive scalp. So I'm using the scalp scrubber that you guys can find in the Etsy shop as well. Link in the description. But back to the bonjour, bonsoir. I say that because, once again, it is part of my culture. We say this to greet each other. And like I said, I connect with you guys through here, whether we never meet in real life or not. You guys hear my voice. You guys have seen parts of my life. So you guys are kind of family. So I say bonjour, bonsoir. Yeah, so that's that. Not much to it. So here I'm washing her hair. As I told you guys before, I usually do 2 washes, at least 3 sometimes if the hair is really, really dirty or has a lot of buildup. As you guys know, when I do install extensions, I do wash right away. Now, this is not to say every stylist should do this. I do my stuff to a certain standard that I find to work, and I like to make sure the install is good before the client leaves and all that stuff. That's why I wash immediately after I install the lock extensions. This doesn't mean that a stylist who doesn't wash immediately after doesn't do great work or their work is not valid. So please don't go to these stylists and be like, look, Dxlyn, Dxlyn washes. So if you want someone to wash immediately after install, find someone who washes immediately after install. But don't go and, kind of insult other stylists just because they don't do it the way somebody else does it. I'm not for that. I just know what I do and what we do in my salon. We wash immediately after install, and that works for us because we're able to double check our work. We're able to provide the client with a complimentary service, which is washing the hair, and that promotes the health of the hair, and that is honestly a standard practice in cosmetology or barbering. So that is why we do it, but like I said, that doesn't mean that everybody else has to do it that way. People have their own methods. A lot of people do their own thing, and you can't really expect them to do exactly what someone else does, if that makes sense. That's why there's many people who do one thing, and you choose who you want to go to based on how they do it, right? So that's another thing that I get when it comes to lock extensions. So why doesn't this person wash and you wash? And it's like, that's my process. Some people do, some people don't, pick the one who does what you would like done, if that makes sense. And when it comes to scalp issues that we deal with in the salon, we always recommend a dermatologist to our clients. We don't make any special concoctions because, once again, anything that your hairstylist gives you should promote hair growth, promote health of hair. We're not doctors. That's why we are trained to refer you to an actual doctor. So this is her locks after the retwist, and we're gonna go ahead and style now. And you guys know I'm the no gel queen. And as I said before, I'm not against gel. I just don't use it on myself. So a lot of my clients who watch me on YouTube, they're like, oh, I don't want it either. And we retwist without gel. But she is one of my clients who actually likes gel. So I did use gel for her retwist today. And we're going to go ahead and give her a style. Now, I do have clients who do prefer the gel. They do like the gel as part of the process. So we do keep gel in the salon for that purpose because, once again, we're not against it. It's just most of our clientele doesn't really want to use gel, or they want to be very light on the products. And I'm light anyway, whether I use gel or not. Now, some specs on her locks. She has 140 extra small locks at the length of 12 inches. You guys can order your own lock extensions if you like on our Etsy shop. The link is in the description. Now she has a little bit more length than 12 inches because she started off with her own natural length. So you guys can go to the link and order whatever locks you want, the length, the size, based on your hair. If you don't know what you need, please consult the person that will be installing your locks. If it's us, you'll already have a consultation with us. We always recommend that our lock extension clients come back for at least their first maintenance, retwist maintenance. That way, if there's any refinements that need to be done, we can do that free of charge. Now, the retwist is not free of charge, but the refinements, if they need to be done, are free of charge. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.